In this video, I'm going to show you how to recycle a CVL kit. So this is what the package looks like. It's got a hard bottom, paper top. Here are the supplies we need to recycle the kit. 4x4 Tegaderm, a Chloral-prep, 3-pack swab sticks, sterile gloves, a mask, and some loose non-sterile gloves. Okay, we'll start by putting the 4x4 Tegaderm in, the 3-pack swab sticks, the Chloral-prep, a pack of sterile gloves, a mask, and the loose non-sterile gloves here. You'll then put some double-sided tape around the edge and then seal it up. And that is how you recycle the CVL kit.